drums in.
Hey guys, Troy here. This is Only King Forever by Elevation Worship. I know it's been played 1,000 times, but I wanted to tackle it again for two reasons. Number one, I've actually never went after that other chorus part. I've always played the octave part, which you'll see I'll play at the last chorus in this particular playthrough, but I'll play the other chorus part that I'm speaking of now through the rest of the song. And I thought the other chorus part was really cool, so I wanted to go after that one. To make a quick comment about the tone, I've noticed on this particular guitar track it's kind of muddy. It's kind of messy, and I guess it's on purpose. So I did the best I could to kind of copy that tone on the Helix, which brings me to my second point, is I just wanted to play this song with the Helix. It's got a lot of cool tones in it, including the messy tape delay on the bridge, which is a lot of fun. So I wanted to build that tone with the Helix as well, and I built this a couple months ago and wanted to demonstrate it now. So if you're interested in checking that preset out, there's a link in the description to the GuitarforHISGLORY.com shop. You can take a look at that preset. A couple of things about the Helix that I've noticed so far I think that are important to talk about are the volume pedal takes some getting used to, but it's not unlike switching to the Dunlop Volume X Mini. It's just the sweep. You got to get used to that. And you'll notice when I roll on the intro part that the volume kind of comes at me a bit abruptly. The second thing is the spill from snap to snap. The spillover is not as long as I thought it was. I'm not sure if it's a setting that I have incorrect, but it seems to kind of cut off the spill a little fast, but it takes some getting used to just when to switch presets and things like that. So probably not a big deal. I'm sure that's something I can get used to, but the last thing I can't get used to this is the tuner. And the tuner just cuts off any wash from reverb or delay, which I don't see why that's the case. I hope they fix it with an update sometime in the future. But if you want to tune like directly after a washy part, and basically every part we play now is a washy part, it just chops everything and just cuts the sound off completely. So for me, I kind of have a heavy hand, and I do knock the guitar out of tune kind of often, and that's just a technique deficiency. If I played lighter, that wouldn't be the case. But since I play hard, I need it to tune. I need to tune more, and I constantly am just bringing back the volume on my other setup and tuning while the wash is kind of going through. So that was a couple things that I didn't like there. And there's no arguing that the Helix is awesome. You can build any tone you want in this thing. It's very compact, so you can just toss it in the backpack and head to church. And again, not worry about whether or not you have the pedals to make particular tones. You can make any tone with this thing and it'll be good. So it's a back saver and a money saver, two things that obviously are A+ in my book. So here is Only King Forever by Elevation Worship with the Helix. Also, sorry about the guitar neck in the Helix view shot. Didn't notice that, my bad.